guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome here if you are new. I am so happy to have you. My name is Melissa, and I know it's been a while since we've talked, but it feels so good to be back. I really missed you guys. As you can tell by the title of this video, this is my laundry care routine. And you guys, we have tons of clothes to wash, especially since school has started back. I feel like my routine has been off, and of course, the first thing that gets out of control is the laundry. So grab your basket or grab your cup of coffee and let's do this together. So I figured I'd start off with the products that I'm using today, the Lysol Laundry Sanitizer. And if anybody knows, please comment below. This one has a light blue top, but this one has a dark blue top. So I don't know what the difference is, but I mean, they both do the job. But I was just curious. If you know, please comment below. This is a 7th generation powered by plants. I'm always trying different products and to see how they do, different smells. So if you guys have any products that you would like for me to try and do a review on, just leave a comment below and I will see if I can get it and try it out in my laundry. So I'm putting in these laundry scent beads. These are the best, you guys. Actually, I love all the scents that Downy puts out, but right now I have the pink one and it smells absolutely awesome.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better. The way that you talk to me, the way that you make me feel, I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like you're untouchable. Like you're untouchable. Don't you know? You know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful. I'm going crazy. Oh, I just want you now. I wanna hold you close. Don't wanna take it slow. Oh, I just want you now.
So while I have my first load in the dryer and my second load in the wash, I figured I would take this opportunity to go ahead and wipe down my countertop and my glass containers. I'm just using Miss Meyer's in the lemon scent to wipe it down. I absolutely love that smell. Although I know it's fall now, so I need to go and get me some fall scents, but I just have not made it out to Target, or have I done an order from Grove. So these towels here, these are just like all of my dishcloths and drying cloths that I use, and I just throw them into that basket and just keep them there until I get a full load, and then I'll wash those, and then I will be taking care of those today. So I bought these glass containers here from Walmart. They are very inexpensive. I think I paid maybe $8 or $9 for each one, and I'm going to use this to store out all of my laundry detergent. Here I have my Tide Pods, and then I'm going to also be using the white powder that I use is a laundry booster, and I usually put like a scoop of that in every load or most loads depending on the soil or the stains. And then I'm going to use the other one for my Downy bead.
The only reason I keep sneaking
on top of my washer and dryer, and in here I keep my dryer sheets, my laundry balls, and my mesh laundry basket for my delicates. So this is everything all finished and clean, and now we're going to move on to another load of laundry.
I realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love, coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck, coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck, trying to steal your hand, coming to get you. Coming to get you, coming to get you. Coming to get The only reason I keep sneaking out at night, keep wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love, coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck, coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck, trying to steal your hand, coming to get you. Coming to get you, coming to get you. Coming to get you. Do you ever call back? Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again, again, again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Do I ever let go? Let go of the days I wish we had. Stop crying over things I can't take back. Not yet. Do I ever forget? Erase your pretty face inside my head. Wishing you the best of life instead. Well, not yet. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own.
Okay, you guys, so this is the next day. So I got up early the next morning and just started back where I left off.
Erase your pretty face inside my head. Wishing you the best of life instead. Well, not yet. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleep. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. You, oh you, I keep wishing I would wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby, I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby, I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, 'cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I love you so.
So here my blanket wasn't quite dry, but my sheets were. So I told myself, let me go ahead and make my bed up now, because I cannot tell you guys the number of times that I have washed the linen on our bed, but never made it up. And then it was time to go to bed and our bed wasn't done. So I am forcing myself to go ahead and do it now in the middle of doing laundry. So comment below, who else has this happened to, that you go into your room to go to bed and your bed is not made?
Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good love. Tell me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting.
Well, that's it for today, guys. I hope I was able to give you some laundry motivation. And if so, please don't forget to leave a comment below. I would love talking to you down there. And consider subscribing to my channel, because it really helps my channel. And I also get to know what you guys like to see on here too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you back here in the next few days. Bye.